high-level meet between FM Goyal and real estate developers will now be rescheduled as the finance minister, in fact, was not present. And urban development minister Hardeep Puri chaired the meet with several bank chiefs, realty developers, the NAREDCO. So what were the key issues discussed in the meeting? We have Rituparna Nath with the details.
The NBCC might be roped in to help us revive some of the stalled projects of the real estate sector, and government will specifically look at the stressed assets of the sector. This is what has come out in meeting, which was to be attended by the finance minister, who could not make it. So there will be more meetings, follow-up meetings, probably by the end of this month. However, this meeting saw the presence of the urban development minister, the Niti Aayog vice chairman, the CEO of Niti Aayog, as well as bankers like the Yes Bank CEO, the SBI chairman, and everybody else were present. They discussed taxation issues, and they have also said that they have suggested reforms for the sector, like reduction in GST rates and tweaking the IT laws. So all of these reforms will be considered, and the meeting will be taken forward again with the finance minister soon.
The whole focus of the whole meeting was really to see how can we look after the customer, especially in projects which are stuck or stressed. Number two, we suggested from NAREDCO that we needed to immediately see that the GST needs to be rationalized if we needed to give a boost to the sector. We need to rationalize the rates of GST to bring it down to 8% and maybe affordable to 6%. Of course, all these were just discussed, but nothing really came out of it because the finance minister was not present. He was there in parliament. Right. But we have suggested this, the meeting is adjourned. But I think the main important takeaway of this meeting today, if you ask me, was the fact that the focus was the end consumer.
There were several issues. The basic important issues was how to complete the stalled projects. So the stalled projects discussion has taken place on that.
So when is the next meeting? So how soon is that?
It depends upon the availability of time from the Honorable Finance Minister and the Housing and Urban.
So will it be by the end of this month?
Maybe.
Finance Minister was not in the meeting. He was busy in some other meeting. Developers has raised some issues related to taxes. So committee has heard them, and but I can't say that we have come to any conclusion. I think next meeting will happen very soon.
And sir, is there any possibility of NBCC taking over and reviving some of the stalled projects?
No, it was not specifically discussed, but this is not the agenda of the meeting also.
जीएसटी था एक मेजर इशू, जिसमें जीएसटी में जो अफोर्डेबल में तो सरकार ने पीछे कोई बेनिफिट दिए थे, बट जो अदर देन अफोर्डेबल प्रोजेक्ट हैं उसके अंदर जीएसटी को कम करने की बात कही थी हमने. और इसके अलावा जो जो रुके हुए प्रोजेक्ट हैं वो कैसे पूरे हो सकते हैं उस पर बातचीत की कुछ.
सर, इसके अलावा कुछ डिस्कस हुआ? कंज्यूमर रिलेटेड जो मैटर्स थे वो डिस्कस हुए, हमें सुनने में आ रहा है.
नहीं, कंज्यूमर रिलेटेड मैटर ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि जो रुके हुए प्रोजेक्ट हैं उनको कैसे पूरा किया जा सकता है. तो उसके ऊपर कोई ऐसा फंड बनाने की बात थी, जो कोई ऐसा एसेट फंड बनाया जाए तो रुके हुए प्रोजेक्ट को पूरा किया जा सके, ताकि उनको एंड यूजर को उनका घर मिल जाए.
सर, नेक्स्ट मीटिंग कब लाइकली है? सिंस फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर डिड नॉट टर्न अप फॉर दिस वन, व्हेन डू यू एक्सपेक्ट द नेक्स्ट मीटिंग टू टेक प्लेस?
मुझे लगता है कि अगले 3-4 दिन में दोबारा शायद कोई मीटिंग होनी चाहिए और 15-20 दिन में कोई ना कोई रिजल्ट भी निकलेगा इसके अंदर.
And meantime, Arvind Subramanian's parting shot. The outgoing chief economic advisor says that strengthening NCLT process needs to be given more thought, even as he hails the IBC as a game-changing reform. He also admits that the GST system is still a bit complex, but says there is a case for a debate on why GST can't have only 3 rates.